The Master of Arts in Psychology program is unique in that it has a broadly humanistic orientation with roots in phenomenological and existential thought, but also transpersonal approaches. This leads to a holistic view on human subjectivity, interaction, and spiritual experiences. The program is generalist and integrative, emphasizing both the historical and theoretical foundations as well as experiential dimensions and applications of psychology. The program thus integrates contemporary phenomenological, critical, depth, and community psychology perspectives. You will find courses in the nature and structure of consciousness, of perception, of psychological development throughout their lifespan, of the body in its lived and physical dimensions, of affective life and feeling, of dreaming, of loving, of human gender and sex roles including feminist psychology and women's spirituality, of our marital and family relationships, of sporting relationships, of our social and cultural relations, of spirituality, of transpersonal and paranormal experiences, of disaster and evil, the meanings and forms of psychological disorder, and of the nature and transformative power of psychotherapeutic relationships. Courses are primarily taught face-to-face. Some courses may be available partly or fully online, however, this is not an online program. The University of West Georgia is accredited by the Southern Association of Colleges and Schools Commission on Colleges. The total semester hours required are 33 or 45, and the maximum hours transferable into program are 9. The objectives of the MA program in psychology at UWG include understand personal growth and transformation as it relates to self and others, understand humanistic transpersonal approaches to psychology and their application to subdisciplines in psychology, understand and apply human science research methodologies, understand humanistic psychology's relationship to the helping professions.